video, cause
And we can go around the fire.
we can. We sure can.
That fire is always on, usually.
Yeah, and Rosario, remember I told you that from the eternal flame?
Yeah, I think that's what it is too.
Yeah.
I heard noise, eh?
What noise?
You want some Skittles?
Oh well. That's.
Calm down, calm down.
Different people. What do you mean?
Garbage.
Then with the fireworks, why not? All year they do it, and this year it's the only one they don't? That's so weird. Did your mom tell you?
We used to come.
Yeah? I don't even see you.
Skittle, our first snack of the year.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Candy!
I mean,
Yeah,
it's not even the first kiss. It's
It's like million.
yeah, already.
Did you show the fire?
Yeah, of course I did. Why you show them in my mouth? Like,
Okay, wait.
be gentle. I mean, be a woman. No, that's better.
Oh, well.
You should tell your mom, text her and be like, no fireworks and sad face.
Mommy,
Did she say something?
Happy New Year.
No. I don't see shit.
I can't see my keyboard.
Oh well. Did you tell her?
Allô? 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 Ouais? On est au Parlement. Non, ils ont même pas venu. Il n'y a même pas eu des
scream, you.
artifices. Non, juste tout le monde était comme 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year. Puis là, il n'y avait pas rien. Pas aucun fireworks. Puis là, tout le monde, ils sont en train d'attendre les fireworks. Puis on n'a pas tout. Ouais, il y avait bien du monde. Look there! There was one. Okay, bye! Bonne année!
How do I
Those
zoom
are
in?
probably loner ones that people do.
Yeah, I guess.
So uncool. Bitch,
Some fucking. I mean, well, whatever. Oh well. You're so screaming on the phone.
I know, 'cause I can't hear. Because I can't hear my mom, I think she can hear me, so I start screaming. It's like a reflex.
Yeah, my dad is the same. So retarded.
Your dad's gonna hear that.
Whatever. He knows already. He's really kind of retarded. Like sometimes. We are eating and he's like, oh, hello, how are you, man? And you're like, what the fuck?
Take a picture of some rubbish man.
You know Joe Halbert?
That sucks balls.
There's more fireworks left.
Yeah.
I bet they want this. They want to distract us, and then they explode the parliament.
Damn.
I mean, explode because it's not explode.
flows.
Oh, well. I'm gonna call that in the video.
Ciao!
Bye!
One more!
My
Oh,
goodness!
wait. A couple of fireworks right there.
Damn it. Just when I was going to close it. Woohoo!
Woo, boo, little ones. Suck balls.
Suck balls.
But that's not where the fireworks is.
It's just funny how the people see some light and see they're like, oh my god, and they all go there. Okay,
And
water.
that guy's like, no, the fireworks used to be there.
Damn it.
Ciao!
Happy New Year again.
Happy New Year! Feliz año! Ah, so skilled.
So skilled. My god.